Hello, you are welcome back to this the next business presentation. Our next business presentation in the series of the five evergreen internet business model that we shall engage in our 2019 income race with Oludele Atumise. We have talked about affiliate marketing, we have talked about mini importation and e-commerce business, we have talked about niche blogging. And the next one we are talking about is information marketing. Let me just quickly scroll back to see where we have started with, and for you to know how far we have gone and then how our process. So we are talking about 2019 income race business presentation, and I've shown you affiliate marketing and what it takes to embrace it and to get started. And we'll talk about uh, talk about mini importation and e-commerce business. And after that we quickly move to the next presentation, which is the last presentation, which is niche blogging, where I explain what niche blogging, how to make money from it, and what it is entails to get started with it. And not only that, we are now moving to the next business presentation, which is among evergreen business I have decided to show you, and you have to want to learn with from, and that is information marketing. Sell your skill, or skill to money. I call it sell your skill or skill to money. And if you can see on the screen, information marketing is sell your skill as skill, and it's all about how to convert your hobby, passion, expertise, or knowledge, experience into passive income stream of income for life, using combination of internet marketing strategies that work anytime, anywhere for anybody. What is information marketing? Information marketing simply is about how to make money selling your ideas, experience, knowledge, and expertise or hobby on the internet. And what this one is about is that it's a form of solution providing services. You see, we call it information marketing. What you know, marketing it to people that doesn't know and they want to know and pay you for it. That is information marketing. Can I tell you something? I wrote somewhere, I said, while we all went to school, to primary school, secondary school, university, and even go for second degree, third degree, or whatever degree you can mention, what are you paying for? You are paying for information which was packaged in form of lecture from lecturer, which the institution where you went to leverage on. They gather the brain of lecturers, individual, to deliver for you as regard the information you want to know. You go to university to study law. What have you gone there to do? To have information about how to be successful, to be a successful lawyer. Simple. All what they sell for you in return or in exchange for the school fee you are paying, for the tuition you are paying, is what? Information about how to become a successful lawyer. If you opting up as a doctor, you go for what you call a medical school, yet what you go there to do is what? To pay for information to be a successful lawyer, what you call a doctor in your own choice field, either as a gynecology, either as a psychiatric, either as a ophthalmologist, or whatsoever you can think about. You went to university to pay school fee for information to become whatever you want to become. The same thing, information marketing. You have a knowledge about something that some people don't know, and they also they want to pay for it. Then it is left for you to package it. Now, how do you package it and position yourself for people that need that information, that need your knowledge, that need your idea, that need your experience, that need your hobby, to help them also to become a better person? Are you good in marriage counseling? Are you good in, just mention it? For example, let's look at it here on the screen. Let me quickly show you this. Are you good in trade, forest trading? Do you know how to make extra money, extra income trading forest? You can package it as information and market it to people that want to make extra money from trading forest. Do you know, or you have knowledge or secret of how to decide the sex of your baby even before husband and wife meet? Do you know something? Many men, African men, they marry another woman just because their wife cannot give them male child, or because they cannot give them female child. But there's a secret to it. There are some people somewhere that knows the secret to it, and if you know it, you can possibly get it. Do you know something? If you want to give birth to twins anytime you meet your wife, there's a great secret to it. For example, now there's a particular place in Oyo State that they said that there, out of every 10 houses, there is always at least nothing less than 8 to 9 family member of that houses that have twins. That is, if you move from 1 to 10 houses, there is possibility to get nothing in between that 8 houses, nothing less than 8 houses will have twins. So that means that out of every 100 children, they have nothing less than 80 sets of twins. And there is a secret to it. And according to what I heard, that there is a food that is called, they use, that is responsible for that. If you have that, it is possible. You can sell as information, and people that want to have twins, they will get the information from you. People that want to decide the sex of their baby even before they meet as a couple, they will buy your information. Do you know that I've seen a family whereby they give birth to plenty children just because they are looking for a particular gender? For example, someone now, maybe his wife giving birth to male, and the man wants a female. Do you know they can give birth to as much as 5, 6, 9 children before they get one? Whereas if you have a knowledge about how to decide the gender of your baby even before you meet with your wife, don't you think that some people will get it? Not only that, how to lose excess weight or burn belly fat, and many other problems that people are looking for solution to, and they are ready to pay. If you have knowledge about this one, you can package it in form of information and market it. Information marketing simply means what you know, packaging it and market it to people that need this for money. Simple. That is what information marketing is all about. That is, you have an information and you are marketing it. So how to market it to turn to money, that is the real issue. You have the knowledge, how to package the knowledge and position it to people that will need it and buy it. So I believe you understand this now. If you understand it, then you will know that information marketing is evergreen internet business model that you can use to raise money on demand. That's just it. You can raise money at will with proper training, implementation, and setup are done meticulously. And then the beauty of it is that you don't need office or big startup capital to start. It can be run from the comfort of your room from anywhere in the world. Yes, because this information you are talking about can be packaged in form of PDF, form of video, in form of email, in form of audio, in form of webinar, in form of membership sites, and you are selling it to them and they are buying it. You know something? You go to church for what? For information. Because every time they teach you something. And do you know something? Pastors are information marketers. How do I mean? Because sometimes when they preach and you enjoy it, you order for their books, you order for their messages in form of audio, in form of video, or all kind. And not only that, sometimes when you are blessed with their message, you bless them back in return with your material things or monetary value. Is that not so? So for Christians, we go to church for information, to be enlightened more. To be enlightened more in our holiness life, to be enlightened more in our spirituality, to be enlightened more in our walk with God, in our relationship with God and humanity, in just our prosperity, our health, our faith, our wisdom, just mention it, our wisdom, our faith, our vision, just to broaden it. So church is an information center, and the pastors are the information marketers. So also you, if you have information about how to empower people, how to solve a particular product, package it, then market it using internet platform. And that is what information marketing is. That is selling your skill, converting your skill to money, expertise to money, idea to money, experience to money, knowledge to money. I call it sell your skill or skill to money. So whichever way. So that is what information marketing is all about. What again? What you need to get started with information marketing now. Number one, startup capital is 40,000 naira, and this is the at least as low as 40,000 naira. And the breakdown of this startup capital is number one, training package 40,000 naira. To get proper training, I think 40,000 naira. That has to do with one-on-one training. If it is a home delivery training with 15 to 20,000 naira, you can get one from me also. But if you want my one-on-one training of information marketing, I charge 30,000 naira. But my home training package fee in form of video is 15,000 naira to 20,000 naira. And so that means that. And then what you need again, you need web hosting and domain name, which is 4,000 naira or 3,500. And then you need GetResponse, which you can start with their free 30 days trial, which, and then you pay $15 later in the year. And what again, you need Facebook initial advert budget. You need the Facebook advert initial budget from 6,000 naira and above. That one is free. If you like, you can start with 6,000 naira, you can start with 2,000 naira, you can start with 3,000 naira. But at least with 6,000 naira, you are good to go to build the list of potential buyers. And what again, you need a stunning web page design software, but that will be free for you with what 37,000 naira if you follow my instruction at the latter part of this video. What again, free Facebook video marketing, also how to market your product through Facebook and Instagram. And what again, I have new video training also on how to set up your page. So altogether, if you look at it, if you want to come for one-on-one training, all you will need is 40,000 naira. That is 30,000 naira plus 4,000 naira plus 6,000 naira. That is 40,000 naira. But if you want to order for home training package, that one is 20,000 naira plus 4,000 naira plus 6,000 naira. That is 30,000 naira. But you can still get some discount offer of, I think there's a discount offer for my home training recently in the recent time. So if you want to join, just go to legitcapital.com/skill-to-money. Then you get the detailed information about how to get started with affiliate information marketing, which is one of the evergreen business that anybody anywhere can do. Just anybody. And it is very important that there is nobody that doesn't have information that you can market. There is none. And if you don't have, you can learn how to create one, how you can become an authority in creating one. So you can think about it, then log on to www.legitcapital.com/skill-to-money for more detail. So that is all about information marketing business that anybody can do. It has no regard for age, for status, for location, or for gender. No matter where you are, no matter your gender, your age, your race, your color, your language, you can become an information marketer. Like I told you, pastors, they are information marketers, and they are doing it very well, except for some of them that doesn't know what God has called him to do. Except for that. But much more you that you are a lawyer, you are a banker, you are business consultant, you are travel and study abroad, you are weight loss tutor. Just mention anything that you know how to do. either through experience, through knowledge, through um, experience, through knowledge, through passion, through just anything. Do you know that you can, if you're a good cook, you can turn it to information marketing. If you're a good event planner, you can turn it to information marketing. If you're a good event planner, you are a good speaker, if you're a good book writer, author, if you're a good lawyer, you can turn it to information marketing. So there's no limitation to what you can sell as information on the internet, in as much you have discovered yourself. Just discover yourself and know what you can do, and that people can buy from you, then you are good to go. So in the next video, we shall be talking about the last but not the least business presentation, which is network marketing, popularly known as MLM, multi-level marketing. So until we come across your, until we will see in the next video, I remain your anchor, Oludele Atunishe. See you in the next video. Till then, as you begin to embrace any of these, you are going to make a success. See you at the top. Thanks for watching this another video series of this 2019 income raise business model with Atunishe Oludele. Thanks for watching. Bye.